Good morning, everybody. Let's get right to it. Yes, yesterday we've got a bit of correction to the markets. The main question right now, are we gonna have a bull trap again, or are we gonna have a major reversal? Yesterday we did 20% reversal for SMCI, 20% reversal. So this is it. Now it's pulling back, SMCI pulling back toward the new support. Palantir the same. We watching the new unicorn for today, CYCU. Doing all right. TRNR the same, is about to break here. We have ARBB the same, looking all right. Those are the top stocks for today, guys. The top stocks. And CMRX jumping at the moment, I think because of earnings, so it doesn't look good for today. Welcome to Lloyd. Lloyd, welcome to our membership, and thank you for the support, brother, to our membership on YouTube. Good morning, everybody. Hit the like button and the way in. Yeah, today is a bit slow day as well. CRW, CRWD, and APLD. Night Rider ask about two charts. I will check them for you, brother, right now. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. So CRWD had earnings yesterday, and the support it is around 335. So for today, we might have a little reversal here. So I'm gonna adjust the resistance for it around the 372. This is the first level that we might test. Let's see how much we can jump here. Okay, so we got support here, resistance there. We watch for the resistance here around the 373. So I'm gonna put, yeah, this is the current support. If we dive down again, we got the second support around the 295. And we've got the profit taken here around the 395 and 418. Current resistance, it is just there. Around the 37384. Yeah, this is for CRWD. For APLD, nothing changed. Resistance still around 743. Yeah, we might have another dive for this one. Yeah, for that one, the same. We got resistance here around the 7. And okay, so those for the request stock from one of our elite member, Night Rider, asked about those two stocks. For now, we have to keep watching CYCU as a unicorn, still trying to break the 93. SMCI is pulling back a bit. Yeah, today we might have another green day for the market. Lloyd, you are welcome, man. You are welcome. Let me know if you have any question. If you have any question, let me know, brother. TRNR is a bit weak, yes. Victor, yeah, I worked with Fibonacci and Elliott Wave before. It kind of helped with spotting some reversals and key areas. Buenos dias, DH. Buenos dias. So SMCI guys, looking interesting, pulling back normal because yesterday we jumped 20%. Palantir the same, pulling back a bit. Today we need to hold the gain that we did yesterday. Always 10% from the 78. MSTR did the huge jump yesterday. AVVV. AVAV. AVAV have a support now around the 104.92. So there's a reversal about to happen here. It is a bit risky play, this one. We got bad earnings yesterday. So there's two levels that we have to watch out for, the 88.99 and the 104.92. And here's the resistance for today, 121. And here, if we reverse, we might test those two levels. Yeah. So this one could reverse at the market open. If we don't reverse from the 105 early, this means we're gonna continue the dive and it's not good until the 88.99. If we held at the market open, would be great for reversal, yes. And here should be a resistance on profit taken. Yeah, you have this, you have that, and that. Because if we reverse from here, we could do almost 10% around the 121. That's why this is should be our exit as well. Around the 121.67. Here you go. Again, guys, if you're wondering if you want to have access to short requests like this, you can join us on our Patreon and choose the elite level in order to have access to requested chart analysis updates during the market open and after even we finish our live streaming on YouTube. And let me just put the link down below if you want to have access to requested stocks like this. Link in comment section below. I just put it down. Again, shout out to Lloyd, one of our new members. Thank you for the support again. Shout out to Lloyd, one of our members, new hunters, a new supporter on YouTube membership. For now, we've got CYCU, guys, still trying to go toward the $1. We have a bit of struggle to go over and hold over the 94. But yeah, this is the only one that look promising. You see here the list, CMRX, I don't like it. We only have this one, yes. Burrow jumped, but light on volume. TRNR, yes, it jumped, but we got a big seller around the $3. So that's why we pulled back again. MSTR, for MSTR did a great job last week. The support, the first one, it is tricky. The 272.34 is not that strong, but it's still looking good. If we held here, yes, would be a great signal for a green day, another huge green day, at least this time toward 305. Yesterday we did 9%, and today we might do another 10% to test 305 at least. And after that, we might jump until the 350. But yeah, this support is not really strong, from my opinion. The strongest support and bottom is the 200 and 220, 220, 94. CLS, SLXN Norma. SLXN, let us check this stock together. Yesterday we did 5%, today 44%. But it's the resistance, yeah, we're still below the resistance, the 180. So this one is okay, looking all right, jumped, but we still got a resistance here to break around the 180. It did a really nice move here. But again, I don't trust it that much regarding the breakout. But it's jumping, and we don't have another play except for this CYCN. We got support over the 135. So at the market open, guys, if we held, there's a chance to go toward the 180 and the 2.29 for SLXN. So there's a chance. Let us double check the market to see if we got some unicorn. Nothing much happening to the markets. Let's check here. We got CMRX and GV. CMRX and GV. GV jumped 61%, but the technical I don't like. It is heavily shorted, pretty much shorted a lot below the $2.69. So it is risky play. Too risky play, man. And it's been yeah, it's been shorted a lot here, as you can see just from the chart. It's been shorted a lot. It's heavily shorted. Yeah, we already checked this one before. So it is a bit risky play. CMRX, I think, yeah, is not good. I think it's offering. You're gonna pass on this one. GV, I will keep it just in case if we held over the 172. It could be good for today. If we held this, yeah, if we held the 172 would be great for today. Target is the 260 for today at the market open. We might jump 20%. Bonjour, George. Yeah, Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the mover, guys. If we have a nice jump for Bitcoin, the market will recover again. Yeah, GV, guys, is pumping right now before the market open. So this is a good reaction for GV before the market open. For cryptos, Bitcoin doing all right. We have a resistance to break for Bitcoin, guys, before the end of this week around the 99K psychological level. And Bitcoin, it is undecided right now, guys, because we dived down, we jumped, we dived down, we jumped. So it is undecided. As long as we are below the 99, it is hard to tell where we're gonna go. Still, huge volatility. ADA recovered really well from the 76. So the strongest coin for now is ADA, is the strongest and much stable with Bitcoin. SMCI still in the green. Palantir the same, holding the gain, holding the line. George, exactly, man. Bitcoin is the blood, the backbone, the DNA, the oxygen. You name it. Bitcoin is the mover, man. Is the current. It is the black hole. Either you're rather before we have the opposite. Before we have like a lot of trader hedge Bitcoin. So if we have a red market, we got a huge green for cryptos. But now we have the opposite, like everything's moved with Bitcoin. Good question. Are we gonna have a huge dump or pump for SMCI? If we broke the 43.30, yes, we're gonna have a huge green day for SMCI the rest of the week. Now we don't have decision yet. We are in a midway here, a consolidation zone. There's no volatility. But I'm watching for the first support here over the 36.90 would be a good indication that SMCI we're gonna have a green day if we held over it. What a day! What a day we're gonna have. We've got, I think, 5 minutes left, guys. 5 minutes. Bring your popcorn, bring your chocolate and your tea. Market is about to open in few minutes. Guys, remember, disclaimer for today. Remember our live streaming, it is a bit delayed, so don't follow me blindly. Do your due diligence before you put your money on the line, and we're not financial advisor. So today it is Wednesday, and of course we're preparing for the market every day around 9 a.m. Eastern time. So if you come late, can make sure to come early the next time. And the early hunt and pre-market watch list and alerts always here on our Discord, guys. We always discuss the market before the dip for many stocks, and we do even crypto hunt for many stocks and even crypto stocks or crypto coins. Everything on our Discord, guys. The link in comment section below, guys. If you have any question, please let me know. Send me an email toward trading.jesus.contact@gmail.com if you have any question about how to join our Discord and Patreon and ask about how everything works. It's really simple, guys. We make everything simple. Even if you never trade before, we make it easier for you to understand how to trade. So let's get right to it, guys. GV is moving, is the play. Let's see. GV, yes, is moving. Yeah. CYCU is not moving. We have, yeah, GV is moving right now. Watch out, guys. GV could be the one as well. But the problem with GV, guys, you only have limit to buy just 170 shares. So it's not that much. TRNR is pulling back from yesterday. So we've got only those stocks, guys. 4 or 5 stocks that look interesting for today. Dexter, not sleeping. Okay, good to know. Yeah, Dexter is quiet today. It's quiet. Will Nvidia come up today? Yes, it's a bit slow for Nvidia because it didn't test the major support. ETL is jumping as well. Let's double check this one. ETL. Wait a second. Is it French market? ETL factor. It is up 76%. But it is not in the US market, it's in the French market. And jumping 75%. It's crazy. Jumping from a huge bottom. But I don't like it because it's about to get shorted right now around the 775. Interesting. So this is regarding replacing Starlink in Ukraine. Interesting. This one. Elon Musk said Ukraine could lose access to Elon Musk's Starlink satellite internet system, which has been fatal in maintaining its military communication. Wow, this is crazy development. And this one, it is like Starlink. This is big. Yeah, that's why jumping up 74%. GV, guys, let us watch GV looking interesting. GV looking interesting. Remember, guys, we always go live every day around 9 a.m. Eastern time. Last update that we did here, guys, was for those unicorn TRNR. We suggest the bottom reversal here. We have BTOG, we suggest for reversal around the 45. Mini trade that we did on our Hunter channel, even for SMCI to buy this dip. The link in comment section below, guys, if you want to join our Hunter channel on Discord and Patreon, where we hunt every day. Even after we finish our live streaming here on YouTube, we continue to hunt over there. So now, guys, we've got GV. It is about to squeeze. It is jumping. Now, I've got some support to watch out for over the $2. CYCU, the same, another unicorn to watch out for. TRNR is pulling back. Let's check SMCI pulling back a bit. Tesla, Nvidia. The market is open. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see if we're gonna have a green day for today. Have alert from below and up for SMCI. If we're gonna have a huge green day, we'll see a breakout from the 43.30. Palantir is pulling back. I'm watching Palantir around this support because if we held it, we're gonna have a green day. If we broke it, we might have a red day. The same for SMCI, guys. We might have a nice dip here toward the 36, but this should be our support. No breakout down after that. Let's see, we have a bit of pullback at the market open. This is completely normal. So far, completely normal. Day trade, GV, 78% for today. CYCU. Guys, this one looking really interesting. Really interesting for a breakout here. This one could get halted up. TRNR is getting weaker. Yeah, TRNR is kind of breaking the trend here a little bit. It is a bit weak today with ARBB. Both of them are weak. So I'm going to focus on CYCU and GV. Yeah, GV is the strongest with CYCU. Let us go back to SMCI, pulling back, Palantir, pulling back. Testing the supports at the moment, Palantir. Still, guys, we don't have a direction for the market yet. SMCI is pulling back again. Waiting for a reversal here from the 3690. Let's see if we got something got halted right now at the market open. Any stock? Okay, we got CYRX got halted right at the market open. So those stock got halted right at the market open. Let's see if they got halted up or down, because the market is still undecided for the other stocks. Still, the market is undecided, guys. You see, we don't have breakout yet for CYCU. This one is dead. This one is dead. This one is halted up. So the only one that look interesting is CYRX, but it got earnings yesterday after hours, so I'm gonna pass on this one. CYCU didn't break. GV still holding. Yeah, we have a pullback for the market. Watching MSTR if it broke the support. SMCI is still looking all right, guys. If we held here, it would be good over the 36. Palantir still testing the support. So technically, we didn't break it yet. We tested it right now. GV, guys, is about to test the 260. This is the squeeze zone. Yeah, so the only one that's pumping right now is GV, guys. The rest just dumping down. Yeah, GV is the strongest. However, we might get pulled back here around the 260. It is current resistant for GV. Well, Sarge, SMCI is not completely meme stock. Is a morph. Is kind of what is the word? Is a mutant. Yeah, SMCI is a mutant between meme stock and blue chip company. Okay, GV, guys, is squeezing. GV, it is squeezing right now. Yes, is kind of breaking out here from this resistance. So we might have a pullback at any moment right now, guys, around the 270 and then the 320. So make sure to take profit right now for GV because we might have a pullback. Yeah, GV is good to take profit right now. Around the 270 would be great. 276, 279. Yeah, I think this is good here to take profit. Yeah, it's too much here. It's overextended. Yeah, I'm taking profit here because it's kind of overextended here for GV. I expect a huge pullback anytime soon here. Around the $3 maybe. Around the $3 we might have a pullback around the 216, which is the current support. CYCU trying to break but got shorted again. So CYCU and GV are the best play for today, guys, especially GV. Now it's pulling back as we took the profit. Now it's pulling back. GV want to consolidate down to recorrect from the $2.16. SMCI is pulling back. Palantir pulling back officially. Palantir broke the support here. The current support, the strongest support for Palantir is the 78.64. Tesla pulling back. SMCI, guys, I'm watching closely for the 36, guys. 36 should be a good support to hold over. Yeah, 36, 35.94. Yes, 35.94 should be the support reversal for SMCI if we don't want to have a flush and a huge red day. So there's a chance for a reversal right now over the 35.94. Coin going down. Nvidia, yeah. MSTR pulling back. Yeah, CRWD is going down toward the support. THO push back toward the other support. Let's go to GV is pulling back. Nice. This one, man, is kind of teasing me a lot. We have a lot of tease. This one I saw it in the pre-market, guys. We got another tease here. No confirmation for the breakout. We have a fake out here. But it looks still interesting, guys. If we don't pull back now. Yeah, I think we have a big seller right now. Big seller just came for CYCU. It will be really bad if we broke the 79 for CYCU. GV, yeah, as we said, the just below the $3, it is the current resistance for it. So it's not wise to enter now. SMCI reversing a bit. Still undecision, guys, for SMCI. That's why we have a bit of reversal. TNXB jumping. TNXB. Let's us check this one out. Jumping on light volume, so I don't like it that much, man. It is too risky. TNXB, guys, the $10 is the resistance now. So if we don't break the $10.30, is me we're gonna go down again. This one is heavily shorted, brother. 1 to 100 back in February. So it's heavily shorted. Heavily shorted and liquidated. It is too risky play. It's not my cup of tea, man. GV, guys, is pulling back as we discuss. The $3 is the current resistance. CYCU pulled back. ARBB, TRNR, nothing. Let's see crypto. Yeah, Bitcoin is holding. That's why we have a correction a bit. Let's see Bitcoin. Yes, Bitcoin will be good for today if we held the current support. So I'm gonna watch Bitcoin, guys, because if we broke this support today, we might have a huge red day over the 86. If we held, yeah, we might have a good green day for the markets. Let's go back here. Still, we have undecision, guys. We don't have a huge green yet. It's still undecision, guys. SMCI is still holding the support, so it's still okay for today. BTAI already discussed it early in the pre-market, and we said the $3.81 is the current resistance, so it's not good for now. SMCI is started to move toward the green. You see, we have undecision for the market, guys. We have a little pullback. Now we have a reversal. We still not pushing toward the 43. We need, now it's 2%. We need another 8% or 10% in total to confirm that SMCI is really strong for today. Yeah. CYCU, guys, no good. We had the chance to squeeze here, just right there. It didn't. It didn't squeeze. So we only left with GV. GV looking still all right. Imagine we only have one unicorn, man. Yeah, only one unicorn. Let's see if we got anything halted at the moment. RADX halted twice. RADX. We got another one, CAS. Another one, WLGS. Okay, let's see which one will be a good candidate to watch later. This one, nope. This one, nope. RADX, nope. Again, pulled back. See, guys, the market doesn't hold up or down. We got huge indecision right now, guys. You see the market open, we don't have any direction from up and down. The market is sideways. Well, Sarge, what you consider a strong close for SMCI? Great question, man. Really simple, man. The strong close for today is over the 44. If we saw the 44, if we close over the 44 for today, would be signal, huge signal for SMCI. That's why I put the alert around the 43.30 before that, just to warn me to be alerted. MSTR, great move, guys, for MSTR, just reversed from our support perfectly. The 272.53. Serge, well, Serge, you are welcome, man. CYCU, as we said, guys, is no good. Broke the support for today. It was good early. Wait a second. Wait a second. Still holding at the 5 minutes. So I'm gonna keep it just in case if we broke the 93 later. So it's still okay. Not losing hope. GV, guys, nice dip. Yeah, below the $3, as we said. Now there's a support for GV, guys, to reverse from around the 216. GV looking interesting for a dip reversal. SLXN start to move. We've got a resistance just around the 181. Yeah, right now could be a good reversal. So for this one, guys, it could be good to watch for this one to break from the 171. SLXN looking juicy. SLXN tune in. Let's tune in to this one. So we've got just two stocks. Only two stocks. Only two stocks to watch out for. Watch out. SLXN, guys, is moving. SLXN is moving. I'm gonna put another support just in case, just right there. Target now is around the 183 and $2. GV still holding the current support, the 216. Undecision, guys, for the market. It's clear. We don't have a direction yet. For Intel, the direction is down, is clear. For Hood, the same, but for SMCI, still we don't have a direction. We are in midway. Palantir, the same. Tesla. ADTX. Some of you asked me about ADTX. The thing that I don't like about ADTX, it is heavily diluted. Heavily diluted. I will not be interested to buy ADTX below the 9 cents. ADTX looking interesting, guys. I'm gonna keep it on the list to watch out later if we broke this level of resistance. If we did, we're gonna do update for it here on our Discord on the unicorn hunts. Unicorn hunt is mean day trade, guys. If you're wondering what's unicorn, unicorn is mean stocks that jump 100%, 50% in a few minutes. So ADTX could be one of them. So I'm gonna keep it on the waiting list. GV it started to reverse. That one, yeah, still it would be good if we held right now over the 143. We have a little pullback. But if this pullback happens, we need to hold over the 143 to continue toward the 180 and $2. So today we got SLXN and GV for day trade stocks. For the swing trade stocks, guys, we don't have decision. Today is kind of dull market for the swing trade stocks. We don't have a direction yet. In this kind of scenarios, we have to be patient until we get the direction. ETL, this is a French telecommunication jumping 80% because of a huge thing going on in the US, because Starlink could be not available in Ukraine anymore, and this will be a huge for the fight that happening in Ukraine and Russia. They need to communicate. They need internet for communication between the military. So this one will solve the issue, which is French company guys have the same cause as Starlink, which is delivering internet. And of course, this one will be the second choice right now if Elon Musk never want to help Ukraine or will be like not available to Ukrainians to use Starlink. This one will be the replacement ETL. And let me just check their company, their website. Yeah, you see their website, it is clear. It is, yes, global geo and LEO satellite connectivity. Yeah, interesting. How much they cost? Is it like Starlink is really cheap? Interesting. Satellite solution support media investors. But there's no place to buy. Just enterprise, I think. Anyway, not bad as you can see here. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for bringing this up, Victor. Thank you for let us know about this. ATL halted. ATL Victor, it is on the European market and it's not halted. I can't see if it's halted because it is just for the Nasdaq US stocks. Trade and hold for the US stocks, not European. We need another website for European market because let's check ATL if it's halted. Maybe let's check the market is open or closed in Europe to double check. Double, triple check for this. Let's see here, go on the European market. Where's the European market? Frankfurt, maybe? Stock exchange, I think. Yes, this is the European market. Yeah, it's open. Countdown to closing bell. Still there 6 hours. And US, 6 hours as well. London, 1 hour. Yeah, all the market is open right now. And it's not halted, man. It's moving, but it's moving with light volume. That's why you think it's not moving. Yeah, because it moved little by little. Anyway, SMCI is still nothing much happening, guys. Nothing much happening for SMCI. Yeah, already pumped. And now it's getting near a resistance, so it's a bit dangerous to buy. Yeah, the market is a bit slow. GV, guys, rather nice reversal, brother and sisters. We have a nice entry again for GV over this support. Yeah, it was a really good reversal from this support around this level. It was great support here, guys, over the 2.23. So GV looking really interesting because we reversed perfectly here from the 216. And yeah, current resistance is the 284. So yeah, GV is the only unicorn that did really great today, guys. GV is the only one. The rest, it is no good. CYCU especially, no good. So the only one that did great for unicorn is GV. We got the new stocks, got halted KNW and WLGS. Let's double check those two stocks. The market is undecided today. KNW jumping 3,000%. I think it's a reverse split, guys, for this one. Yeah, 3,000% is nope. I think it's a reverse split. WLGS is halted as well. Why this one is halted? We have acquisition 2 days ago for this one. You see, guys, nothing much happening for today for SMCI. Neutral. Palantir, neutral. Tesla. There's a huge anticipation, guys. Did we have some news right now? The market's waiting for some news or something? I think there's something, guys, because the market is not moving for the swing trade stocks. I think we're anticipating the Fed some news today. That's why the market is not moving. Job report Friday. ADBA tomorrow. Uh, I think no, there's something else going on, man. This is the quiet before the storm, guys. The quiet before the storm. You better believe it. Markets, products, markets, resources, currency. Let's see here. Trading, regular account, exchange markets. Let's see. Yeah, GV is still number one. Let's see what kind of news we've got. Okay, this one is Canadian stock for today. CDXC. Wow, this one, yeah, this one jumping because of earnings. We have a huge earnings for CDXC. Huge, not small, but big earnings. Yesterday after hours. And jumped after that today at the market open. But is not good for a trade. Best Buy could be good for today. Could be Best Buy for today. SMCI is still consolidating sideways with Palantir, Tesla. So as we see here, guys, we have undecision for the market. It's clear. The market is undecided, guys. GV is pulling back. Yeah, lost a bit of steam. The $2.86 is the resistance at the moment. SLXN still sideways. So you see, guys, we have a sideways market. Usually when we have this kind of reaction, when the market open is a bit slow, is mean the whale taking their money and liquidity, anticipating for some news would drop the market. So be careful, guys. We have to be cautious because today is not normal. Usually we have a huge flood of volatility at the market open. Today we didn't have. So we have to be cautious. But I expect the volatility will come before the market close for today. Usually when we don't have volatility at the market open, we might have it today before the market close or on the power hour. So guys, we're gonna discuss and update all the levels later on our unicorn hunt, and we do a swing trade if we have a good swing trade, of course. And if you are elite member, of course, you just send me a message here for your request stocks to do a short analysis update for you, brother and sister, for the best entry and exit, of course. In the meantime, stay plus and stay clear from the market because the market is undecided right now. We're gonna update you on our Discord and Patreon. For now, we've got still undecision. Yeah, the market is kind of undecided even for SMCI. The good thing is we don't have a huge pullback down toward the 36. We held here, accumulate, and now we might have a decision for SMCI. We might have a decision. Yeah, we might. The same for Palantir. So watch out, guys. The market might decide right now and have a huge green day. Anyway, in the meantime, thank you for watching, guys. We'll have to wrap up our live streaming for today. Tomorrow we're gonna come back as usual around 9 a.m. Eastern time. Hit the like button on the way out. Let's hit the 50 likes, guys, before we finish our live streaming. We have 28, 29, 30. The likes is increasing by the second. So hit the like button, and of course share our live streaming. Sharing is caring, guys. And of course come tomorrow early around 9 a.m. Eastern time on our YouTube, because the live streaming will continue as long as Jesus is alive. The live streaming will continue. Thank you for the support, guys, and shout out to my new our hunter supporter Lloyd. If you can hear me, still hear me, brother, thank you for the support and being a supporter, a member on our YouTube membership. Thank you for watching, everybody, and see you by tomorrow.